Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia 1.3 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and type Magic Fluids. Then you need to download this free app from this developer and open it. Now click on those three lines at the bottom right corner, select Settings and tap on I accept. Then you can customize your wallpaper however you wish to. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. This time select Set to Save Wallpaper, tap on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!